So I'm washing the stones, putting them into the cart, and I let them as a base to my post. Getting new stones. Yeah, I assume there shouldn't be any leaks in here. I'll get rid of them if I can. I'll let them dry and then do another batch. And now some bigger ones. Maybe I'm just wasting my time. I'm not sure, honestly. I'll do it anyway. I really want to go now and ask Grok about it. You know, what the AI thinks. These days, everything I research, I'm using AI. I don't know how we lived without it just a few years ago. It helped so much. So, yeah, I'll double check with AI. You know, just to make sure I'm doing the right thing. I wish I could wait for your guys' advices, but no, I don't have time for that, unfortunately. So I'll go and do my research and continue. Alright, as I expected, it takes much longer and it's much harder than I thought. But I'm not a builder, I'm just learning, you know. So what we got ready is we got 4 posts ready. The middle ones I'll still need to dig some more because I need to move it this way. And that one I need to move that way as well. But at least 4 posts are ready. Okay, I put this to make sure it's not wiggling. You know, got supports on every side, here and there and here. All right, and I want to try to put the quickrete into the first one. So I double checked with the AI, and the AI said no, you should not use any kind of gravel or stones mixed with the quickrete. So I'm gonna use the pure quickrete. So this fast settling mix. And what I did, I put a little layer of the stones on the bottom of it for the drainage. And so I got the hole, then I got some stones, then I got the post. And now I'm gonna use the mix and the water to make it stay here. It's gonna be the first one, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna use this as a 1 gallon of water, because I need to add 1 gallon of water per 1 bag. I'm gonna put the quick set on the bowl. The manual says it should be like 3 inches below the ground level. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, level, get some water. Okay, so I used 2/3 of a gallon because I only use 2/3 of a bag. Alright, now I think I need a stick to push it through. I'll use this stick. In some places it goes all the way down, and in some places it doesn't. I don't know, should I add some more or not? Because it kind of settled down. So now it's much lower than it was at the beginning. I'll keep it like this. I'm not sure if I should add some more. Maybe I should. My main question with these holes is, like, the holes are too wide, and I'm not sure how many bags would I need to fill it. So like I'm thinking maybe I can still use the big stones and put them, you know, next to the walls, and the rest fill with the fill the concrete. Or is it gonna make it weaker or not? Like in here, you see I got some big stones in there, and I'm gonna put the concrete. But should I put concrete in half and then put some more stones and then concrete in half more, or I can just fill it with the concrete only? Honestly, I'm not sure, and I don't know how many bags I would need if I use the concrete only. That was a third of the bag. Okay, I'm gonna put the stone next to the wall. I think that's it. One on the third bag. I kind of didn't expect that it will take more than like 1.5 bags, and I was already 2 and 1/3, and it's not even half full. So yeah, I would need more stones, because otherwise I won't have enough concrete. Okay, so you see, I used some stones around it, not touching it, but around it. And I'll use one more bag. Okay, and some more stones around it. As I said, I'm not sure if what I'm doing is right. All right, so it was 3 1/3. Now I'm gonna put some more. Alright, so it was 1, 2, 1/3, and 1/3. So it's gonna be 2 and 2/3. Okay, no, so it's 3 and 2/3 of a bag just for one post. That's a lot, huh? One, 2. That's 3. 3 into 3rd. I'll see how it goes. Unfortunately, not many things was done today, but I'll continue tomorrow. Then one day I'll finish it, right? It's gonna be the best coop, at least on the street. Got a bit too busy, and I didn't have time to close them earlier. So now it's 8:30, and it's definitely time to close them up. And also, I need to check if the heater is on for the little baby chicks. Alright, so the door is open. They're all here. They're all here. That's good. Alright, we're gonna close it. Alright, done. Okay, my work zone. Like almost a war zone. Alright, so all the little chicks are not in the extension. Why? Because they're in the coop. And I'm gonna get the extension cord to attach the heater, because it's still chilly at night and they still don't have enough fur. Okay, I got it here. I'm gonna connect the heater. Alright, now it's on. Let's see where they are. Let's see where they are. Okay, here my little babies. Okay, I'm gonna give them some water. They're next to each other to not to get cold. Oh, lots of mosquitoes. Trying to bite my babies. Okay. Give them some fresh water. They have one in the extension, but I will give them the one for the coop as well. Okay. Got it. Got it. Let me clean it up. Okay. Alright. Got the water. I'll give it to them. They shouldn't be thirsty. That's very important. Okay. Alright. I'll refill the food. The heater. Let me see if the heater started working. Yes, it started working, which is good. Yep. Refill the food, and we're good. Oh, and don't forget, I need to close the coop itself. So I'm gonna do it this way. Here, I'm gonna lock it. Alright, and it's locked. And I will make sure I put the stone down here. Just to make sure we cannot open it. Okay. That's good. So they're not gonna escape. Actually, I really want to try to put the heater inside the house and let them sleep inside the house, but that will take some time until they start doing it. Right, so I'm gonna refill the food and give them a kiss good night. And by the way, mommy hen is still sleeping at the tree. Do you see her? Where is she? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Yep, that's my mommy hen. My beautiful flying hen. It's way up high in there. Good night, mommy.